Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property located on Lower Monton Road, just a stone's throw from Aldi, and fabulously located, just a short walk over the motorway bridge into Monton Village. It's got two fantastic sized reception rooms. All the double glazing to the front of the property is newly installed, along with the plantation shutters. Beautiful period features throughout the home. Laid over 4 floors, complete with cellar, ensuite to the master, and a low maintenance, around 60-foot rear garden that does also benefit from the sun. So you've got your cellar access just down the stairs here, nice and dry and perfectly suitable for storage. And then on to the spacious kitchen, a lovely range cooker which will be a part of the sale. And also integrated under counter fridge and freezer. Heading out then onto the rear garden, like I say, lovely, low maintenance, nice and private out the back as well. And you do also have gated access back to the front of the house. To the first floor of the property, you've got the master bedroom complete with ensuite to the front. It's extremely spacious family bathroom. That corner bath perfectly in place. Just down at the corridor here is the second of the 3 fantastically sized double bedrooms overlooking the rear garden here. Master bedroom with the continuation of the bay. And then ensuite, really generously sized shower. Continuing now to the 3rd and final floor. Is this lovely and bright, spacious 3rd bedroom. So there's further storage within the eaves just to my right. Currently used as a craft room. You can appreciate the size of this room. Got a full radiator in here, 2 V-locks along with the double glazed window. It's a beautiful property. Incredible period features throughout the whole house. Stunning high ceilings, really spacious rooms. As I mentioned, we're on Lower Monton Road, which is incredibly perfectly located in regards to your local amenities, shops, public transport links, all within walking distance. And just over the motorway, got an array of bar, shops and restaurants in Monton Village. If you're interested in coming over and taking a look at this lovely home, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.